Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Instagram Live for Q&A sessions and behind the scenes. Open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Go to your story by tapping on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen or by swiping right from your feed. Take a picture or swipe up to access additional features, then select the question sticker from the sticker tray. Post your story with the question sticker by tapping on the Your Story button at the bottom of the screen. To show you, I will navigate to my profile and open the story I just posted. I will ask myself questions like how are you? This way when someone views my story and asks a question, to see it during my live Q&A sessions and respond accordingly. Return to your story by tapping on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen or by swiping right from your feed. Tap on live to start a live video broadcast. During the live session, you will see a question mark icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view all the questions that your friends and followers have asked you. You can then select a question to answer live during your broadcast. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.